So let's take partitions to the next level. The next level is trying to find the point that divides a segment into a certain ratio. What's important to look at is how the ratio is stated and also how the segment is stated. So if it is L to R in the ratio 1 to 5, that means we want one full equal section from L and 5 equal sections from R. So if I look at this, I've got 6 sections altogether. I want one full equal section from L and 5 equal sections from R. So the point that I'd be looking at for this one would be point M. So let's take a different example. It looks identical to the first, but I've stated it as RL here and 1, 5. Same ratio, but this time the R is listed first. So that means we want one full section from R and 5 full sections from L. So different question, different outcome. We're looking for point Q that divides the segment. And putting it all together is stating, like, when you look at something like this, if we're doing the ratio of 3 to 1, then we definitely want to make sure that we try to break this up into a total of 4 sections. And like we were doing before, focus on your slope, focus on your rise and your run. It looks to me like it's 8 sections down, 4 sections over, and it's down and over, so maybe a -2/1 slope. And most often over not, they land perfectly on the graph. And you can see we've got 4 total sections there. So finding the point that partitions AB in the ratio 3 to 1, A is listed first and 3 is listed first. So I'd be doing 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections from A, and B is listed last and the 1 is listed last. So 1 section from B. So the point that is dividing this into that specific ratio is this point here, and the coordinates of it are -2, -3. And that would be the final answer for something like that. Let's try one more. So one more we can practice on is finding a point that partitions DC in the ratio of 1 to 2. So we want to focus on what is the segment that we're trying to divide and how many total. So we should evenly be able to divide this into 3 sections. Again, let's do our slope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, that slope is our rise over run, and we're going 9, down 9 over 6. It's like a slope of -3/2. Down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. We only get 2 points in, but we do have 3 full sections. Now we've got to find out what is 1 section from D and where's the point that is 2 sections from C. They should land at the same spot. And for this one, the answer is -1, -3. That's that special point that divides it evenly.